Carrefour, a lively suburb west of Port-au-Prince, offers practical and affordable lodging for visitors exploring Haiti's capital region. While high-end resorts are rare in the area, the neighborhood's guest house and nearby hotels serve as comfortable bases. Below are the top 6 hotels in Carrefour, Haiti, each offering a blend of convenience, cleanness, and fair prices. The first one is Cass Guest House. Situated about 1.5 km from Carrefour Center, Cass Guest House provide air-conditioned rooms decorated in a clean, contemporary style. Set within a tranquil garden compound, this guest house features share lounge space and complimentary breakfast. Visitors consistently praise its warm hospitality and Wi-Fi access. Expect to pay around $115 per night for a mid-range, dependable stay. The second one is Tikeni Guest House. Located just under 2.5 km from the town center, Tikeni is a budget-friendly guest house offering AC or fan-cooled rooms. The quiet residential setting and friendly staff make it a restful choice for budget-conscious travelers. Rates typically start around $79 per night, making it one of the most economical yet clean lodging in the area. The third one is Hotel Paradise des Anges. About 1.7 km from the Carrefour's main hub, this modestly priced hotel features simple, tidy rooms with basic amenities and a peaceful neighborhood vibe. Guests appreciate the reasonable pricing around $115 per night and the courteous, helpful service. It is ideal for travel seeking a straightforward, no-frills stay. The fourth one is Hotel Villa Terrace. Located a short drive from Carrefour in nearby Petition Villa, Villa Terrace delivers upscale stays featuring a pool, courtyard gardens, and room services. Although slightly outside Carrefour, it offers superior comfort and safety in a pleasant suburban setting. Typically, nightly rates are around $159, offering great value for mid-range luxury. The fifth one is Hotel Montana. Perched on a hillside in Petition Villa and easily reachable from Carrefour, Hotel Montana boasts spacious guest rooms, sweeping views or outdoor pool and serene gardens. This well-regarded hotel offers reliable amenities and professional services at approximately $192 per night, making it a top option in the luxury bucket. The last hotel is Ranchly Montsel. Set a few miles from Carrefour, this ranch-style retreat offers rooms surrounded by open gardens and include amenities like a restaurant, tennis courts, and a communal lounge. Popular among travelers seeking peace or family stays, its nightly rate is around $205, offering resting comfort coupled with a lively residential atmosphere. Here are some tips for staying in Carrefour. Local guest houses like Cass and Tikeni are great for short budget stays with decent comfort and easy access to Carrefour's markets and streets. If you prefer more refined amenities, Villa Terrace and Hotel Montana in Petition Villa are excellent nearby alternatives, offering healthier environment and better services. Ranchly Montsel suits guests looking for spacious grounds and quiet stays away from city noise. Always verify whether the property offers parking, Wi-Fi, and included breakfast before booking. Transportation in and around Carrefour can be limited, so it's advisable to arrange arrivals or departure transfers in advance, especially late at night. While Carrefour itself offers modest hotel options, the surrounding neighborhood, especially Petition Villa, expands your choice significantly. From reliable guest houses to tranquil boutique stays, This locale offers comfortable lounging options tailored to a variety of traveler styles and budget. Let me know if you need similar list for other Haitian cities or deeper travel guides.